swear we did it again.
And we're back in league action. The last time we played, it was a win against Sporting Bengal to give us the first win of the season. And today we take on Park View, who we played early in the season, who beat us 1-0 and haven't lost a game all season in the league. Should be a tough game. And we've got a new initiative where we invite a guest manager to come over and speak with the boys and give them a motivational speech at the beginning of the match, half-time, and at the end of the game. And today it's none other than No Behaviour's Loon.
Here they'll give you a ticket, yeah. Yeah, the one across the road, that over there, yeah. They've played 8 matches in the league and not lost, right? They've won 4, drawn 4. And to me, the biggest result they had was last week. Although they lost, it showed me they're a good football team. They played Little Oakley, right, in the FA Bars. Little Oakley played the league above us, right? And they destroyed this league. They got promoted to the Super Bowl, right? They took Little Oakley to penalties last week in the FA Bars. So it shows me their team not to be messed around with, not to be taken lightly, right? There's people on the bench today that's going to be pissed at the bench, right? Josh is pissed off on the bench, and Sima Lewis will be pissed off, right? Jermaine is pissed off on the bench, and Ken will be pissed off. But the people starting the game, right? Make sure I don't need a reason to put them on. But I'll leave it to Loon to give you his prep talk. He'll talk to you now, he'll talk to you at half time, and he'll talk to you again at the end of the game.
I've come to talk to you one second, bro.
Go ahead.
Man, do your thing 1 minute, man. Yeah? You know, press and high press and all them things.
So Loon, today you're Hackney Wick FC's guest manager. What do you expect from the team?
High pressing, strength, commitment, and football IQ.
So part of your team that have not lost this season, what do you reckon our chances are then?
Very slim to none. Got me here. Wait. Get me. Channel my inner Jurgen Klopp.
And what's the top? You got top underneath there.
No. Stay.
Okay.
You know what we're doing here.
But you know they say football is a game where managers don't last long.
Yeah.
So if you lose, you're out of the job. What do you reckon?
Boy, this is a FIFA thing. If it's 3-0 half time, I'm out.
So the game has started, and guest manager Loon watches on. Hackney has started really well today. Park View beat us 1-0 earlier on in the season. We're surprised that the game has come back so quickly again, because normally you play a team this side of the season, you don't play them again until the other side of the season, when it's maybe you might play again in a cup game, but we're here for it. Hackney moving the ball here. Park View pick it up. And Park View have done really well, as I said. They've not lost a league game all season and played 8, won 8, drawn 8. And last week they just got knocked out in the FA Vars through penalties. Now Kenneth picks up the ball here. Plays it inside. Great football here by Hackney Wick FC, and it's cleared away. Park View are a team based in North London area, around the Tottenham and Wood Green area. So it's a local London derby. Park View pick up the ball here. Hounded by Hackney Wick FC, and they've gone through here. Great ball there by Alex, who finds Sergi. Oh, he couldn't go around the keeper. He still has it. Cameraman, go back to the play. What's going on? Comes to Alex. Great strike. 1-0 Hackney Wick FC. Cameraman was all over the place there, but we will spare him. I think we just about got the goal. Hackney take the lead. Top goal scorer, Alex, scores again in the league once again. And that's goal number 4 for him. He's starting to pick up now. Let's take a look at that again. Just strikes it, bottom corner. Keeper had no chance. 1-0 Hackney Wick FC. Marion now. Longest serving player for the team. Puts a good ball into the box. Alex again. Oh, should have done better there. That was a free header. Hackney back on the ascent again. Sergi beats his man. Gets a shot. Goes on the keeper. And falls to Corey. 2-0. 15 minutes gone, Hackney are winning 2-0.
It's calm, it's okay. Hey, my friend, kill me. Go warm up.
And I, of course, went to go and put my phone on charge. I've come back here and I've just heard the result. Let's take a look at that again. Sergi runs down the line, goes round the keeper, puts it in, comes off the post, and it's a simple tap-in for Corey to get his first goal for Hackney Wick FC on his actual league debut. Now, Hackney with the ball again. Saeed nominates himself as free kick taker here. What can he do here? Over the bar. Sergi again. This tactic is working. Going around the keeper again. Can he get it in? Oh, he holds on to it. Goes for a corner. And Hackney is still on the ball. It comes out wide. Comes to Gibson. He finds Zhao. Back to Gibson. Puts the ball into the box. Headed back in. Oh, Daniel couldn't get there. That surely should have been 3-0. Oh, I think the linesman called offside anyway. And it's all Hackney now. Part of you have rarely had a chance at the moment. The ball's cleared. Goes to Gibson. Plays the back pass. Oh, he plays it straight through to the part of view player. What can he do here? He goes in. He finds his man. Great save. Brilliant save there by Bartos. Amazing keeping there. That was a rare mistake there from Gibson. Didn't check over his shoulder. Played a back pass, and that was nearly 2-1. And there was a goal. Sergi, amazing goal. But cameraman just missed that. Let's take a look at it then. Strikes, top corner, 3-0. And he's been electrifying this half. Electrifying. And it's half time. Bobby and Loon go back into the tunnel. And we'll see what we'll say at half time.
They passed the pad, but yeah, what's the word? Don't let your
head down.
Don't rest
on your laurels.
Yeah, all that, whatever. Yeah, that. I won't go to school like that, but yeah, don't rest on your laurels. Well done, my man. Yeah, man. Keep it up, man. Tight defensively and all that. The high press, low press.
And here comes the second half, and it started with a bit of a melee. The teams had to be pulled apart after a bit of a altercation, but the referee has it all under control. And then Hackney still on the attack. It's been not as an exciting half as it was. Lewis puts it in here. Ikenna! Oh! Just goes wide there. He's also making his league debut as well. Now Josh, he's upset he was on the bench. What can he show here now? Great skill. Oh, are you right there, Kelvin? Kelvin's one of our former players actually. He's joined part of you and we wish him all luck. But Hackney get the 3 points, 3 goals, clean sheet, and that's back-to-back victories. Come on, the Wickers.
Come on. You know me. See me next week. Back again.
So he came as the gaffer. First game, he wins, so he stays on to next week again.
See you next week.
Wins on a bounce in the league, right? That's 6 points from the last 2, right? Before that, we hadn't won a single game, right? And for the most important thing today, we've done a few more things, right? We won our second game in a row, right? We kept a clean sheet for the first time all season. And we scored more than 2 goals for the first time all season. So give yourself a round of applause for that, guys. Right, like I said, right, there'll be guys, I'm talking, right? There'll be times when people are not gonna be happy because they're on the bench. There'll be times when people are not happy that they're not in the squad. But the whole point is that we have a squad and it'll be rotated and the decision will be made, right? You're gonna have to accept it and realize, you know what, this game wasn't for me, maybe next time it will be for me, but make sure you're at training and you're performing. I'll be honest, I'm saying it from now, next week I'm gonna change up the team a little bit, right? Because it's the London Cup. I'm not too interested in London Cup, but I still wanna give people minutes and time. So my main concentration is promotion in this league.